Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an all-in-one project management tool to keep your team organized, Basecamp is a great choice. Today, we'll walk through how to use Basecamp for seamless project collaboration, task management, and communication. Let's get started. 1. Setting up a project. Once you log into Basecamp, you can create a new project by clicking the Plus New Project button. Name your project and invite team members. Each project acts as a dedicated workspace where you can manage tasks, share files, and track progress. Using to-do lists for task management. Basecamp's to-do lists help you assign and track tasks efficiently. Create a list for different project stages or departments. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates. Check off completed tasks to keep everyone updated. 3. Communicating with team members. Basecamp offers multiple ways to stay connected. Message boards, post updates and discussions in a shared space. Campfire chat, a real-time group chat for quick conversations. Pings, private direct messages for one-on-one communication. 4. Managing documents and files. The Docs and Files section allows you to upload, organize, and share important documents. Store project briefs, images, and reports in one place so your team can access them anytime. 5. Tracking progress with automatic check-ins. Basecamp's automatic check-ins prompt team members to share updates at scheduled intervals. Use this feature to ask, "What did you work on today?" and keep track of progress without micromanaging. 6. Staying on top of deadlines with the schedule. The Schedule tool integrates with assigned tasks and events, helping teams stay on track. You can view deadlines, milestones, and upcoming meetings in a calendar format. Basecamp simplifies project collaboration by keeping everything in one place: tasks, files, and communication. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.